scary movie.
Oh, come on, you know I don't watch that shit.
Why not? Too scared. Are you alone in the house?
Randy, that's so unoriginal. I'm disappointed in you.
Maybe that's because I'm not Randy.
Can you see me right now? Okay. What am I doing? Huh? Huh? What am I doing? Hello? Nice try, Randy. Okay, bye now.
If you hang up on me, you'll die just like your mother. Do you want to die, Sydney? Your mother sure didn't.
Please help me. Stu's flipped out. He's gone mad.
We all go a little mad sometimes.